All right. Welcome back, traders. It's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Welcome to another session. Today we are going to be doing our pre-week analysis for the week of October 19 to the 23rd. So the month is going out very quick. So we are again trading the week of October 19 to the 23rd. Make sure you guys, if you have not subscribed, make sure you do so now so you will not miss the full week analysis that is going to be released tomorrow, Sunday. All right, so let me go ahead and give you a Forex disclaimer because it's very important for you to understand. It is the following. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another trader trying to show you how to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips trading with rules. So you make sure you are aware of that. And please, guys, check the news. It's very important. I usually look on my FX book. It's pretty deep, pretty amazing. That will tell you what's going on with the market. So I think it's something that you have to have it no matter what. So please check the news, because everything that I'm going to be telling you today is subject to change based on the news that are going to be released. All right, so I just want you to understand that. Once again, we are trading the week of October 19 to the 23rd, 2020. So this is just only the pre-week. If you guys want to see the full week analysis for tomorrow, make sure you guys tune in and make sure you guys subscribe, because tomorrow it will be on fire. All right, let's get to work. Let's go straight up because I don't want to hold you here for so long. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and start with Eurusd. Pay attention what Eurusd is doing, guys. See, let me type it here. We are trading what? We are trading our multiple time frame system. Let me write it here so you guys will not send me messages. We are trading multiple time frame system. So this is not any other system. This is strictly multiple time frame system. If you guys want to join us, the link is in the description of this video. You know what, let me go ahead and show you before we start. You can also, guys, sign up to the Gold membership if you want to come and take a look at it before you fully grab the whole system and check, you know, how we trade. Those one-on-one there are in there. It's pretty neat. Once you are convinced, then you can say, you know what, this is for me, this is not for me. I rather continue doing whatever you're doing, which is fine. All right, so here using our system, to be honest, this pair here, guys, is freaking amazing. I love it. I make tons of money on this drop here. Boom, love it. So we're looking here only for sell. Remember, I love to teach the world only real time. So what is currently the market doing? This is what you need to understand. If you don't have multiple time frame, probably you will not understand. This guy here represent our philosophy, which is PV equal BV. Represent pullback is bad business, unless if you know how to do it. We're looking in this right here, guys, is bearish. Please don't be in a bullish market, because you don't want to be in the buy position when the market is just doing a PV. Be careful, okay? So be careful. But this pair here is great. So now that we know the market is in a bearish position, all we gotta look is what is a real time doing, right? So like I said, market is giving us a what? A bearish position. So pay attention here. This is what I call this PV equal BV, right? Look at how clearly it's telling us, hey, John, Mark, Junior, whatever, we are going bullish. What are you gonna do? So let's say you don't have rules and you start trading this huge engulfing candle here. You go like, oh my God, yes, market is gonna go bullish. Boom, everybody start adding orders and orders, and all suddenly the market, boom, it will drop, retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line. Then from there it will do a small pullback, retesting all these levels here, Boom, boom, boom. Mid 38 to our 23. Then finally the market will continue bearish. But the question is, why, if it's giving us a bullish candle here, why the market is dropping? That is the question you need to ask yourself. And believe it or not, it's dropping simply because the trend is bearish. This PV here is a fake PV. Unless if you know how to grab, scalping the market, you can go ahead and grab, some money out of that one and get out, because you're scalping the market. It's not like you're gonna be there for so long. That makes sense? So EURUSD, in my opinion, is bearish, guys. If you do have any other opinion, please let me know in the comment below. And also one more thing, guys, if you guys want me to analyze any of your pair, anything, it doesn't matter, make sure you guys put it below in the description of this video. Okay, make sure you guys like and share, guys, because I'm doing a lot of work behind scenes to give you the best of the best. This month of October, we have not lost not even one of our analysis. Every single analysis that I give you Saturday and Sunday has been top notch, guys. Top notch. So we are trading multiple time frame. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm aiming this week for 75 winning ratio. My goal is not to hit 100%, but sometimes I do, month after month after month after month. But that's not my intention. But hey, it's the analysis that I do is I take a lot of my time, personal time, dedicating you this to be one of the best analysis that you can ever experience. All right, let's go to the next one. USD JPY. Look, I told you guys last time the market was gonna be bearish and then it was gonna do a pullback. Perfect, guys. Look at here. Market is giving us a buy position, right? Look at how simple it is. Let's do it differently. Let me draw it like that. Boom, boom, boom. That's there. It's telling us here, hey Irving, we are in a buy position. Yes, we are. All right. So buy position. So right now, look, market is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. See, it's going up. Now, what do you think market is gonna do exactly right when the market is performing? Well, from this 61 Fibonacci line, my opinion is the market will do a back down. Market will reverse, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. From that 50 Fibonacci line, the market will do a small PV retracement. Then finally, boom, market will be bearish. Does that make sense? Comment below, guys. This is the time where you should be asking me questions. Because look, this is a fresh week, guys. We are in the mid of October. By the way, on October 24, guys, next Saturday is going to be my birthday. So maybe I will take off my birthday analysis and I'm just going to do only the Sunday. So I want to take some time. Remember, all you got to do is like, subscribe, and share here, guys. I'm doing all the best, all the best. All right, so if you guys want to bring any of your friend or family, whatever, I will be giving you guys $130 commission if you want to do that. All right, let's go, guys. So hopefully you guys are finding value of this. This is gonna be very interesting. I love it. This pair is gonna be very interesting. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Look at how simple this stuff is, guys. Trading our system is easy, guys. It's you just gotta trade it with rules. Look at that. Sell, sell, sell. Look, it's just sell. If you want to go bullish, just go damn bullish. Bullish, 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 buy, and boom. That's what the market is doing right now. Market is in a buy. But like I always tell the world, I don't like to teach you back data, because back data will not make you money. A lot of other traders that run other YouTubes, they do teach you back data, and they think by teaching you back data they're gonna make you money. That's a damn BS in there. You need to make money of what the market is gonna give you real time. What is the prediction that it's gonna do for the rest of the week? That's where the money is. Not here. Who cares about this? This already happens. I will look good. They will look good. Everybody will look good. But what about real time? Is the real time is all it matters. That's what the money is. I want to know how I'm going to pay my bill this week here. Look at that. That's all it matters. All right. So make sure you guys tune in. Make sure you like, subscribe if you find the value of this video. All right. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. The next one is the Eurusd. I love this pair, guys. I really love this pair. I love this pair. I've been on this pair for, I think, over 2 months already, to be honest. and believe it or not, guys, on this particular pairs, this is me, right? So the market here is bearish. I'm telling you because I've been trading this guy for so long. Anyway, look at how clean it is. Boom, bearish. But let me delete this and show you what I'm doing. All right, so this pair here is my baby, to be honest. Look at, I'm looking only for sales, 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 sales. When I'm in sale right now, I'm on Monday, I'm gonna look for sale. So this is what I've been doing as well. So since I know that I'm in a sell here, I'm doing the small PV, but only scalping the market on the 5 minute. Then I see this guy here, then I go on the 5 minute, boom, I make some money. Boom, I see this guy here, then I jump and I switch position. Same thing here, boom, I jump and I change position. Same thing here, boom, I jump and I change position. So I've been doing that. Look at right now, last Friday, guys, I closed on PV. I closed my week on PV. And then I saw this guy, anyway, it was Friday. There was nothing for me to be doing here anymore. I said, okay, I got you back on Monday as a sell. But I squeezed tons of pips out of this one. Because trading with rules is all that matters. Come and join us, guy. For real, come and join us. Let's make money together. But it's only if you want to, all right? So if you're not really sure and say, okay, Irving is not my style, fine. Come and take a look at how we trade here on our Gold membership. Watch those videos and see if those are gonna be the one that you want to be trading with. Then if you want to grab the whole system, send me a private message on my Telegram, and then we're gonna wrestle behind Sam. All right, let's go ahead and analyze gold, guys. Guys, make sure that if you want me to analyze any of your favorite pair, make sure you comment on the YouTube description. So like that, I will write it down, and when I do tomorrow is Sunday, October 18th. So when I do it tomorrow, I will know which pair I'm gonna be analyzing. But I'm gonna analyze gold. I think gold was in a gray. I've been analyzing gold for the last 2 weeks, and top notch. Those 2 weeks has been right on point. So I'm very curious what gold is gonna do this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and analyze that one. All right, so here it is, gold, right? Let me go ahead and put the watermark in there, because sometimes if I don't, you're gonna get confused. There you go. See, gold is here. So this is what the market is gonna do on gold, guys. Gold is another sell guy, guys. Gold is selling. Gold is not buying. Look at this PV here. This PV was stronger. Boom. But it didn't have the strength to continue up. Now, real time is all it matters to me. Look at here. It's telling us we are selling. Look at this PV here. This PV is over. Finito. Done. Se terminó. Game over. How do you say in other language? I just don't know. Now, real time here, market is giving us a sell position. That's what you need to be doing. Remember, guys, my analysis are not signals. I don't do signals yet, but they're not signal. This is only for educational purpose, so you can go back to your system with your multiple time frame system and analyze it on your own. Make sure all the rules are met. If you like it, then you can do whatever you want. But I just wanted to make sure that I'm not giving you any specific signal and say, okay, take this, that. Sometimes I get excited on some of those pairs and take the trade. All right. All right, sometime. All right, so this is what we're doing here. So we're looking here only for a set position. So this week the market is gonna come back and retest the 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there the market is gonna do a small PV, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci line, and boom, market will be bearish. That is my vision on gold, guys. If you do have any other opinion, please let me know. Look, we are trading here multiple time frame system. Let's go, guys. Let's make this money together. This week is gonna be awesome, guys. And October 23rd is gonna be my birthday, brothers and sisters. We most likely, I may not do a video. If I do the video, it's because I extremely love you more than what you think I do. My goal is always to give you, make you money, help you, help change the world. I want to leave the world better than I found it, guys. All right. So that's my pre-week for this week, guys. Let me know if you do have any other question, or make sure you comment so we can go ahead and do the video for tomorrow. Okay, so I want to thank everyone for coming in today. Today was awesome, and so we're looking forward for tomorrow as well. Once again, thank you, guys. God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care.